up, people? Today we're going to be installing this Mk1 Hydro Kit. It's a bolt-in unit as compared to the other one we used to offer. This one also uses a OE Hydro or OE Master and Slave cylinder. So underneath the car here, this is your steering column. We're going to be replacing these steering column retaining bolts. You can see there's also, if you have an AC car, there is a tube in the way right there. And once we've got that tube out of the way, there's a few wires left over from this cluster, and all this is in a Jetta coupe, Mk1 Jetta coupe. So move those wires out of the way, and that right there is where our plate is going to sit, and that plate is coming up in this photo right here. That plate and those bolts go through the OE mounting point, and then the nuts will hold the plate down on top of the original retainers. So this is your OE Hydro Master and Slave with the fittings that we provide. I like to pull the clutch pedal out of the car. You don't have to pull the whole assembly, but the clutch pedal comes out of the car pretty easy. One circlip and slip it out. This is the adapter that's going to go where the old clutch cable was. It bolts into place. Coming up right here in this next photo. After that, we are ready to move on to putting the hydraulic slave cylinder on. Obviously some of this you can be doing in the car, but I just wanted to show you this outside the car so you can kind of see what the assembly looks like without having to look at it underneath the dash, because this is a really tight spot to get any pictures. But here you can see the brackets bolted down, and the master is attached to the pedals back in place. I ran the line out of the original clutch cable hole. This is the way I mount the reservoir. One band clamp right next to where the cluster mounts. That lets you get your reservoir over there to the left of the cluster. See, once the cluster's in, you still got enough room to fill it and bleed it. I would bleed it with it out, but other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. Bleed it and get to driving.